Racing's very emotional. You know, I've probably lived that more than most as far as the ups and downs, and you know, you just gotta not let it get to you, and you gotta remember that you're a race car driver. At the end of the day, you're an entertainer, and you're just there to have fun and to entertain. A lot of people have said that I gave back and gave somebody an opportunity, but for me, it was more selfish. Like, I want somebody really good to drive my race car, and that's why I picked CJ. Saturday was interesting. I knew we could transfer through the D pretty easily, but that C main was probably more stacked than the A main was on Saturday night. That was the hardest C main I've ever seen. And I knew the best we could start was like 15th or 16th. So I wasn't real confident going into the C, honestly. So I was really impressed with CJ being able to get through it. The B main was going to be way easier than the C main was. I was pretty confident once we got through the C that we were going to get through the B, and unfortunately the rear end broke. It was just unfortunate, you know. We still don't really know what happened. Could have been human error, or could have just been a rock. I mean, there's so many things that it could have been. To take a new engine package, a race car that's a one-off car that CJ's never driven before, I think we were pretty successful. To win the heat and run second in the qualifier, basically on 3 cylinders, is really cool. Showed how good the race car was, but I think we need to make the A main next year. You know, we're going to run some other races too with CJ, and car will be good and dialed in for Chili Bowl. We'll have 2 cars there. CJ will be driving one car. Don't know who's driving the other one. Maybe it'll be me. We'll see.